watching. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube, and I'm making this video because, yeah, the vinegar trick did work. I used it about a couple months ago, but it's not as good. The vinegar trick being you mix a solution of vinegar, baking soda, some people say add salt with it and stuff like that. So I did a lot of research, and I bought this glass shower, and it was supposed to have some kind of I don't know, made of some material or something that didn't make it get soap scum on it, and it was supposed to look beautiful forever, like how it looks up top. Yeah, bullcrap. Anyways, I did the vinegar thing. It just took a lot of time to mix the concoction. So then I did a lot of stuff, and I tried my own stuff. And a regular product that's on the market, scrubbing bubbles, I had that. The girlfriend's like, just use scrubbing bubbles. She's like, what are you messing with all that stuff for? So I just sprayed the scrubbing bubbles over here, and I did have to scrub it. What I got here is, I bought this off a gas station. I said, let me buy that for me. He's like, give me $3, and he sold it to me. He said they're only costing me about $7 when they're new. It was previously used, so I wanted to try and see if it would help me out. So I sprayed the scrubbing bubbles on there, and as you guys can see, I had the shower running. That's actually just water, but I didn't really put no effort in it. So I'm gonna do this live for you guys and show you guys what happens here. I mean, look at this soap scum. I can hardly see through this darn thing. All right, so we're gonna do this as we do it. This is soap scum on here. Spraying the crap out of it right here. Nothing hard. And I don't have to mix up a concoction. Yeah, the other stuff works, but this is probably a lot easier for most people. And I got one hand with this, guys. I hardly have to put any effort in this. And just scrub it. Let me get some water from here. I turn the shower on. Give it a little bit of water, nothing crazy. I didn't even really have to let this sit. Just to show you guys, like right here, look at this. A couple scrubs like that, and it's good as new. I'm not kidding. Let me just scrub this for about a few minutes. I mean, of course you gotta do a little bit of work, you know, nothing crazy. But scrub this all up. You can tell when the soap scum is actually getting removed because you no longer have that. And this should be good for about maybe a month and a half, 2 months. You don't have to do this all the time. So this is about it. That's how easy it is. So get you one of these so you're not sitting here scrubbing with a little hand towel or something like that. And just make sure that you scrub it everywhere. And now, yeah, I'm gonna have to throw some water on it or turn the shower on. But after that, you're all set. Your soap scum's gone. Let me just finish scrubbing where I got to. If I had 2 hands, I'd already be done. I mean, look at that. That looks disgusting. But I'm gonna solve this. Watch this. I'll do a little area and see how this looks. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna do that little area. Scrubbed it a few times. Not a lot of work. Let me get a cup of water. Some water. Little tiny cup, nothing crazy. Going back over to the area. Over here. Gotta shut the shower, show you guys. Really didn't put a lot of effort in there. Look at that. It's gone, guys. You still have a little bit of residue leaking down from up here, but it's clean, I'm telling you. So, look at that. So hopefully this video helps you out. You can find this stuff anywhere. You don't gotta mix up some home remedy concoction. If you want to, you can. But a bottle of this, I can clean this shower for 2 years, and I don't have to sit here and make. So if time is money for you, as it is for me, just buy you a bottle of this. Quit messing around. So, all right. Out of the effort that I put into cleaning this, 1 to 10, I think I would put it at a 1.5, if not a 1. That's how easy it was to clean that soap scum. That's just the condensation up there. All the soap scum was mostly on the bottom area. Totally cleaned off. I hardly put any effort in there at all scrubbing that thing. So I'm not saying that vinegar and salt and all those don't work. I just think it's more effort when you can buy a can of that for like $4. And don't you think, ask yourself this question, if baking soda and vinegar was the secret to cleaning this, and as if it was better than something else on the market, think about that. Somebody would have marketed it, and it hasn't been marketed. Not that it's not good, not hating on it, just saying a lot easier, a lot quicker, less effort. So you choose what you want to do. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.